Are we gonna go see emus? Are we gonna go see the emus? The funny emus? The emus? The funny emus? Yeah, the birds. The funny birds.
Whoa. Come on, let's go. Come on, baby. Yeah, the zebras. Hi, zebras.
Right here.
Hi, zebras. Look. Look at them walk. Wait, okay, she wants to stay watching them.
The zebras, Mama.
Let's go see emus.
You want to see the emus?
Let's go look at them.
Let's go with the Grampy. Let's show you the emus. Say hi.
Go with Grampy. Look. Look at Grampy. She's got something in her hand.
I think it's a spider web.
Oh.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, we gotta go over there. Let's go. We got dogs and piggies. All kinds of piggies.
Baby, I need to take pictures because I can't.
You want to feed the goat, Mama? Look. That's the baby.
Baby goat, mama.
Say hi, baby goat.
Okay, come here.
Come, look. Come, look.
Grampy's here.
Look. It's like Lacey.
Oh, I like Lacey.
Look, it's like Lacey.
You want to
Yeah.
feed it?
Look.
Papa's gonna give
Look
it
at Papa.
food.
Look at Papa.
Look, gonna give it food. Oh, yummy.
Yum. Hi.
Yeah.
Come. You want to say?
Oh,
You want to give?
feed him, Mommy?
Look. No, not for you. Come. Look.
Give it to the goat, okay? Don't eat it.
It's for the goat.
It's for the goat.
It's for the goat. Give it to the goat. Look, go like this. Here.
Another one?
Here.
Oh, there you go.
One leg cup.
There you go.
Go, Mama, go.
Go. Give it. She's like Lacey.
She's trying to sit.
Oh, man. Te lo pon la cabeza.
Come on.
Go give him more.
No, okay. It's okay.
Sit. Go like this. Go like this. Like Lacey. Look.
Mama.
How's the goat go?
Let her be comfortable with it. You want to hold this? Look. Hold it with Grampy. Hold this with Grampy. Look. Hold it with Grampy. No?
Can
We're
you
ready?
feed the big
Okay.
one? Can you feed the big one? Yeah. Is that a cute goat?
Come with the Gramps. Come with Papa. Come with Gramps. You're going to go with Papa? Okay, say bye, goat. Let Mama go around. Go around. I don't know.
Delaney, how does the goat say?
Maybe not.
Bah.
The quail.
Let's go.
Yeah, it does.
Look. It's saying bad to you. Look. Say bah.
Bye, goat.
Let's go.
The goat. The bite.
Hi, Mr. Turtle.
Wow.
Yeah.
Say hi to the turtle.
Say bye, Mr. Turtle. He gone.
Say bye.
Oh.
Wow, Mama. It's a big turtle.
Boy, he's fast.
Bye.
Hi, Turtle.
Look at that, Mama.
Is that the turtle?
This is a great idea. I'm glad you found it.
Turtle.
Wow, look at that turtle, Mama. It's big.
Are you gonna ride the turtle?
Let's go. Let's go to the next one.
Turtle. Oh, look at that turtle. Hi, Mr. Emu. Look. Look. Yeah. Look. Emus. Look, beautiful. Look at the emus. Yeah. They're yummy. That yummy emu. Yeah. That yummy. Yeah, that yummy. Hi, emu. Can I pet you? Yeah. Hi, emu. Hi. Yes. Hey, emu. Yeah. That yummy. That emu. Hi, emu. Yeah, we got to see the emu.
Eat it again, Papa. Turn this way.
Hi. You crazy emu. He eat a lot of food. That yummy.
Is that the crazy emus?
Yeah. Yay.
Say bye, emu.
Bye, emu. See you later. Okay, yeah, I know, but you can't. We can't pet them. I know. I know. Say hi, horsies. We just can't touch them, okay?
Nay. How does a horsey go, Mama? How does a horsey go?
Let's,
Say hi.
hey. Yeah. No, no. Yeah. Horses, horses.
Mama.
Yeah. Donkey.
Look at the ostrich. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Say hi, friend.
Oh, look at the horsies.
Okay.
Say bye, horsies.
Beautiful. Say bye. Let's go. Let's go see some more. Let's go see some more. Come on. Let's go see. Hey.
Is that Kanga? Say hi, Kanga. Kanga, Kanga.
Look at that. Wow. Things I grew.
Is that Kanga?
Sleepy. Wanna take her home?
No, these are long.
Yeah. You want to see the big horse? Look at. Yeah. Hi, horsey.
Wow.
Say hi.
Hi, horsey.
Yeah.
Hi, horsey.
Hi, horsey. Hey.
There's another one coming, baby.
Oh, hi.
Say hi.
How are you, buddy?
Say
That's
hi.
beautiful. That's beautiful. Yeah.
Hi.
Beautiful. Say hi, horsey. Hi. He's beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is that
goodness.
beautiful, Mama?
He's beautiful. Yeah. Hi, horsey. Hi, horsey. Hi. Hey. That's a beautiful horse. Yeah. Say hi, horse.
Say hi.
Yeah, say hi. I don't have any food right now. I don't have any food right now. I know. Emus. Emus. Hi. Mr. Emus.
That's awesome. Look at the baby one.
What's the goat face? Yo le de carajo.
You want to go see the baby? Go. Let's see the baby go. Come on. Baby, come with me. Por si acaso se asusta. Go.
I got a bunch on the floor, friend. The big one getting out the way. Bullying the other one out. Yeah, he's bullying everybody out the way.
Say hi. Say hi, go baby. Go hello.
Yeah. Yay, so many goats, Mama.
No, not on the floor, baby.
No, you're good. Everyone's feeding you because you bully.
That my friend? Look who's here. Look at your friend. Lainey, look. Lainey, look at your friend.
Rainy, look.
Look at your friend.
Hey, Grampy. Hey, Grampy.
Look at him.
Who's your friend? Remember him? Remember him? Remember him? Yeah. Yeah, you remember him. Emus, yeah. He's a good emu.
You want to see the
He's a
goats?
good emu.
Come, let's see the goats. Come, let's
He's
go
a
see the
good emu.
goats. Let's go see the goats. Say hi, goats. Hi, goats. Say hi, goats. Hi. Let me take a picture of her. Oh, the goats left.
See if that little one comes this way.
Yeah.
I'll put some pictures of her with the little one by itself. There.
I want to get her face. Delaney, look. Delaney. Delaney, look. Look, baby girl.
Beautiful.
The beautiful goat.
Delaney. Delaney, how does the goat go?
Let's go, Grampy. He's just happy.
He loves it. Hi, horsey. Yeah, hi, horsey. Yeah, you know.
I'm smelling you, Mom.
Oh, he gone. It's there for Grampy. Yeah.
Emus. The funny, funny emus. The funny, funny emus. The funny, funny emus. The
Yeah.
Delaney loves to see.
Yeah, look at the
Look at the
emus.
emus. Look,
no.
Mama.
Oh, no. He eat a lot. He's yummy. Aww.
The funny, funny emus. The funny, funny emus.
You want to give it to them? No.
No.
Okay. It's okay. Yeah. They're different. They got more over here.
Let's go look at these funny, funny emus.
Here, Frankie. There's one. Ugh, that's disgusting.
I will. Eventually.
Funny, funny emus. Emus.
Are you guys allowed to eat it? I don't know.
What are you doing that, dude?
Say bye, friends.
Bye, friend.
Boop. Say bye.
We say bye to
Say bye, friends. See you later. Boop.